In today's thrilling installment of the Power Farming website's progress, we'll cover a number of newly programmed areas. We'll have a look at how people will manage the ads they've already placed. We'll see that some of the sales yard is now operational. You can do some basic searching. We'll also have a look at the ad view, so you can look at the full details of an ad. So to start with, we'll go to the Manage My Ads page. Now I'm logged in at the moment as Lewis, so I am a dealer. Now you can see in my ads here, this is what I have. I have 4 ads. The basic information shown with each ad is a small picture, its title, sell price, significant dates, and some statistics on its viewing. Now if I want to see full details or to see an example of this particular ad, I would click on the ad itself and you'll see it pops up to the full details here. I'll close this down so I can show you some of the other things you can do on this page. Now the edit isn't operational yet, that'll be worked on soon, but you can actually mark different things on your different ads. Now you can also filter based on, so at the moment it's showing all ads. You can set it to only show active ads. All the ads are active at the moment, or you can set it to show past ads only. So if I was to set this ad to hidden and then save, there's an indication that that's a save has occurred, and you would have noticed the yellow to indicate a newly saved record. Now there's a little icon marker here to help make it obvious that this ad is hidden. Now if I was to say show me only active ads, you'll see the hidden ad won't show up. Past ads, there's nothing in there at the moment. Now if I go back and see all of my ads, I can also affect it by setting an ad to sold. Now again, there's a little marker there. The other thing which setting an ad to sold will do is it'll add an overlay, so the ad will actually have that over it, a marker to say it's sold. Now what we'll do from here is jump back to the home page so we can have a look at the searching mechanism. Now if I do all categories, this will return everything in the database at the moment, which is only 9 example records. So you can see each ad has a summarized information. They vary depending on who's placed the ad. So this is a private seller. That's obviously a dealer because their logo is showing up. Now the information shown is the title. Those are the keywords for the ad. Location, condition, price is there, and the listed on date. The paging mechanism is fairly functional at the moment, so if I switch to the next page, it shows the next 4 records. These again are all they're all belonging to a dealer because you can see their logo there. Now if I go back, you can see that one particular difference between a dealer ad and a private seller is that there is room to show some of the ad's description, whereas there isn't that room. That's just a result of the amount of space available. There's a marker to indicate which ad a person is clicking over. So if I look at an ad closer, let's take this particular ad here. Actually, before I do that, I'll show you some of the filtering. So if I'm on the initial page, the default sort by order is by newest. You can set it to show you ads by the lowest price, so you can see they're increasing there. So the first ad was $1,200, all the way up to almost 140,000. I can sort it by highest ad first, so again you can see they're going from most expensive to least expensive. Build year, so it's now showing me the newest item, so that's 2007. There you can see those are old items. Or you can show by best condition, so brand new obviously is the best condition, going to excellent condition, good condition. Now we'll have a look at an ad a bit closer. So if I click into this particular ad, we'll see the full details of this particular item. Now what we can see here is there's the photo. We're showing the title of the ad, its category including subcategory. The main details panel here will show the price, manufacturer, model, build year, location, its condition, whether pickup is available, and whether offers are considered. Now if it's an ad placed by a dealer, then they can specify to download a specification. So a normal person wouldn't be able to, a farmer can't add a specification, but that'll come later. In terms of photos, these are the thumbnails which connect to the primary area. So clicking on these will switch around the photo. The active photo is shown by that yellow outline. Description appears here, and we have the keywords at the bottom. Now we have the contact seller box. Because this is a dealer's ad, they will have their logo show up as part of the contact box. That's just one of the indicators. We'll just quickly switch back and have a look at a non-dealer ad. So this would be a private seller. You can see there's a marker there, private seller. So the information this shows, as you can see, there's no spec. They can't add a specification PDF, but it will show the seller's name and also their phone number. What we'll do is we'll go back and we'll submit inquiry. So I'll put in my name. Now when I send an email, because it's in a development environment at the moment, it doesn't actually send out the email. When it's on the end server, it will actually send the email. So the email will go to Lewis Marshall because that's the owner of that ad. The subject which that person will see, it begins with the title of their ad and some indication, inquiry via Power Farming website. Now I'll show the rest of this and then I'll go back into the admin and show how that's maintained. So the ad a person would get would be, "Hi Lewis, you have received an inquiry via the Power Farming website regarding your ad, Cat Challenger 55. The interested parties' details are," and this is what I just typed before, "regards." Now, the format of this particular email template can actually be modified via the admin area. So there's an area called email templates, contact seller account, and you can see there's some markers in here. These are the things which you wouldn't change. You would have the system break if you were to change this, but you can tweak some words there. Now we'll go back and have one more of a review of the system in terms of how it displays ads. Actually, that's about it. That's most of the newest code. Again, you can see an ad there that's been marked as sold before, hence why it has the overlay. Yeah, that pretty much wraps up the new programming that's been undertaken in the last few weeks. That's the end of the demo.